Welcome to Simple Guide channel. Here in this video we will learn how to use and where to use as well and as well as. Yes, both the words or both the phrases have similar meaning but have lot of differences in their uses. As well and as well as. অর্থাৎ এই ভিডিওতে আমরা আজকে আলোচনা করব কখন as well এবং কখন as well as ব্যবহার করব। তো ধাপে ধাপে শিখে নেই এবং সাথে সাথে examples in spoken or communicative English, how to use, where to place them, where to place as well and where to place as well as. Let's continue the video. Just look at the screen. As well versus as well as. As well. As well is an adverb. In Bengali it means এছাড়াও সাথে সাথে. The phrase as well means also, too, in addition, etc. Frequently used in spoken English when we add more information. We use as well when we tend to add more information. We have more information to add. Then we must use as well, which means too or also. অর্থাৎ এছাড়াও অতিরিক্ত এরকম অর্থ বোঝাতে কিন্তু আমরা বাক্যে as well ব্যবহার করি। এবং এটা কি? এটা একটা অ্যাডভার্ব। বাক্যে তখন এটা একটা অ্যাডভার্ব রূপে বসবে। অ্যাডভার্ব কি? হোয়াট ইজ অ্যাডভার্ব? Adverbs are such words which modify the verbs or even the adjectives. তো দেখো, ইউজ ইন স্পোকেন ইংলিশ আমরা কিভাবে বাক্যে ব্যবহার করতে পারি? Here in this video we will particularly learn the laws or learn the rules, how to use and where to use as well as, and also we will focus on the particular expressions or sentences that we use the both the phrases. ধরো অমল আর বিমল, অমল কথা বলছে আমাকে বাজারে যেতে হবে। অমল is saying I have to go to market. Then বিমল heard it and said আমাকেও বাজারে যেতে হবে। I have to go as well. Means I too, আমিও যাব। নেক্সট, আমি একটি খাতা এবং একটি কলমও নেব। Suppose you are in at the shop, at the stationery shop, and you just order something that you need an exercise book and also you need a pen. Then you will say then you will use I'll have an exercise book and a pen as well. I'll have an exercise book and a pen as well. Here, a pen as well means a pen too. And also I need a pen. আমি একটি ভালো গ্রামার বই এবং একটি অভিধানও কিনেছিলাম। In past narrative, how to use in past narrative? I bought a good grammar book and a dictionary as well. That means also a dictionary. I bought a dictionary also. I bought a grammar book and a dictionary as well. Next, after the disaster, it wasn't only her thinking that changed, her habits as well were changed. দুর্ঘটনার পর শুধু তার ভাবনা চিন্তা কমেনি, তার অভ্যাসও পাল্টে গিয়েছিল। এখানে as well-টা আগের সেন্টেন্সগুলোতে আমরা খেয়াল করে দেখি, we used as well at the end of the sentences, but here in this particular sentence we use as well in the middle. That means we can also use as well in the middle of a sentence with using some commas, like this sentence. দুর্ঘটনার পর শুধু তার ভাবনা চিন্তাই কমেনি, তার অভ্যাসও পাল্টে গিয়েছিল। After the disaster, it wasn't only her thinking that changed, her habits as well were changed. What we have found in the usages and in the examples, that often it stands at the end of a sentence. It means as well, stands at the end of a sentence. It can also be used in the middle with commas. It can also be used in the middle with commas. Just we said. তাহলে আমরা বুঝে গেলাম as well. এই as well এই ফ্রেজটা এটা কিন্তু একটা অ্যাডভার্ব এবং এটা আমরা বাক্যে ব্যবহার করব এছাড়াও, আরও, অলসো, এক্সট্রা ইনফরমেশন যখন আমরা প্রয়োগ করব তখন কিন্তু আমরা as well-টা ব্যবহার করতে পারবো। এবং ইনফ্যাক্ট দ্য ইউজ অফ as well ক্যান ইমপ্রুভ your spoken English. The delivery of your sentences can be enriched with the use of as well. And in spoken English, it is commonly or frequently used. Next, the second word, as well as. Yes, as well as. What does it mean, as well as? I think all of you are very familiar with the phrase as well as. First of it, we learned the use of as well in the sentence. Now we are going to discuss all about as well as. What does it mean? The phrase as well as is a multi-word prepositions. The first one, as well, was like that of an adverb, but as well as, it's a multi-word preposition, which we can say also the phrase preposition. It means in addition to or and also, not only but also. It can also be used as conjunction. As well as can also be used like a conjunction. As well as in Bengali, উপরন্তু, এছাড়াও, শুধু এই নয় ওটিও বা শুধু এই নয় এটিও. Used in spoken English or in sentences. I have to go to the book stall as well as the cafe. আমাকে শুধু বইয়ের দোকানে না, ক্যাফেতেও যেতে হবে. What do you wish to emphasize? That both the stalls or both the shop, you just not only want to go to the book stall but also to the cafe. As well as. I have to go to the book stall and I have to go to the cafe as well. If you wish to use as well in place of as well as, you can just say I have to go to the book stall dot and I have to go to the cafe as well. আমাকে বইয়ের দোকানে যেতে হবে এবং আমাকে ক্যাফেতেও যেতে হবে. Next one, next usage. মিহির as well as his friends is here. মিহির এর সাথে তার বন্ধুরাও এখানে আছে. অর্থাৎ মিহিরের সাথে সাথে তার বন্ধুরাও এখানে রয়েছে. What is the sentence? মিহির as well as his friends is here. Just look at the verb. When we use as well as, the verb follows the first subject. That was Mihir. Mihir is singular. That is why the verb is here singular each. Mihir as well as his friends is here. And if you wish to use it with as well, only with as well, you can say Mihir is here and his friends as well. Mihir is here and his friends as well. মিহিরের সাথে সাথে তার বন্ধুরাও এখানে আছে. Now we have I think we have cleared out, we have understood the differences between as well and as well as. If you wish to use as well as, you can use it in the middle of the sentence with two nouns, and it works like a preposition, multi-word preposition, or just like conjunction. But when you use as well, only as well, not as well as, but only as well, it acts or it works like that of an adverb in a sentence, and it generally stands at the end of the sentence. Whereas we can also use as well, only as well, in the middle of sentence but with commas. Just look at the sentences, look at the examples. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts still now, you can comment or you can ask me questions, and I shall give more examples. And if you have any examples of your own, you can write it in the comment section below regarding the use of as well and the use of as well and as well as. I hope this video is helpful for all of you, and if you are benefited with this video, please do like the channel and subscribe, and please stay tuned with Simple Guide. As you know, Simple Guide delivers or Simple Guide presents videos on writing skill, grammar, text reading and spoken English. Thank you for watching the video.